Hello, so welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. So today's video, I decided to do something simple, something beginner friendly, something that is not that too much glammed. Anyway, it's glamorous, but it's something very simple, something that you can use at any given point of time, maybe for your wedding, for a party, birthday party, and everything. Just something simple to look good on you. So this is the look that I came up with, and if you're interested in watching how I transform or make this look, then stay by and please like this video. So without much ado, let's dive into the video. I go in with my brow gel or brow pomade. Okay, so I'm using this as my brow trimmer for today before I go on with my brow trimmer. Okay, so for my brow gel today, I'm using the karite gel liner. Actually, I'm going to skip this process. So I have a tutorial on how I do my brow on this channel, so you can go and check it out. Simple, and I don't stress myself at all. I just do something simple. So now my brow is done, and I'm not going to the eye. So today I'm going to use my powder palette. That's my eyeshadow. Okay, so before I start my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Blossom Spotless Concealer. That's my eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to start with a brown shade in my crease region. So let me use this brown here into my crease region, right? So I'm going with a precise brush. I'm going into a little deeper brown into my crease. So to blend in the lighter, or to blend my brow bone area, I'm going in with this lighter shade here. So I'm going into the deep brown again, into my crease region again. So I'm using my concealer brush, a little bit of the concealer at this area. I'm just using the leftover on the brush on this area. Then I will be going with my fluffy brush. This is very flat and very fluffy. I'm going on with this shade right here, this lighter shade on top. For having a hooded eye, this type of eyeshadow can open up your eye a little bit. What is it? Something very simple. I'm loving the look. So let me do the second eye off camera and come back. So guys, I have done this off camera, fixing of my lashes, and this is the look I was going for today. Yes, this is what I have in mind of doing, and I have achieved it. So never mind, it's raining stuff. Yeah, you know, I've already cleaned the face before doing all these things already. So, but I still have to go ahead and clean my face for any fallout. Yes, you know that we have to do a makeup on a clean canvas. Okay, so yeah. So actually, I installed this hair myself, and I don't know how to install closure, and yeah. So never mind. I hope I've done something. Never mind. I've done something with this look. So I'm going to let it dry. Then I go in with my serum from Peace Beauty. So this is the serum I'm using. As you know, this is what I use. So guys, you all know my routine already. As usual, I'm going to use my day by day cream as my moisturizer. Yes. So just a little, okay? I don't take much of this. Yeah. So I make sure that under my eye is being moisturized. Make sure that every step that you apply, make sure that the product sits well before you move on to the next. So after my moisturizer, I'm going in with my one and only primer, Buttercup Ageless. So I'm going to apply it around this area. I will also be going in with my oil control primer from Adventure. So for now, I'm going in with my favorite Adventure foundation. So I'm going to contour with my Blossom Makeup foundation in shade 7. I'm going to use it to contour my cheek and the other places. So I'm using my Blossom Cosmetic concealer to conceal under my eye. And I'm using this one to highlight I'm going to use this, but before that, I'm going to apply my blush. I'm using this. This to contour. So I'm going in with my blush. So I'm using this and this. See the look is giving. So yeah. So after this, I'm going in with my exact shade of powder to set everything up. Where is it? So I'm going to set the whole face with my setting spray from Kiss Beauty. So I will let it set, then I bake. So I'm baking with the same sachet powder. Line my lip with this carrot pomade. So after this, I'm going to gloss it up. Now I'm going to take off the powder from my face, then I rub it up. So yeah. To smoke under the eye, so I'm going to use the same brown shade I used. Okay, let me use this. So to wrap everything up, before I put on my mascara and highlighter, I'm going to set it for the last time. So I'm going on top with this mascara. So I will be right back. So guys, this is the finished look, and this is what I have come out with. Something simple, something natural, and is given right. So I thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is being helpful. If it does, give me that thumbs up and also turn off your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So yes, and also check my hair installation, guys. This is my first time. Oh, please don't swallow me. Don't swallow me. So I hope I have tried. And please, what do you think about this look? Comment down below in the comment section and let's vibe together. So yeah, without much ado, I'm out.